The General Secretary of the United Democratic Party, Jemino Mawthoh, who had attended a program to welcome former Congress MLA HDR Lyngdoh at Shillong to the fold, had also spoken to reporters on various issues related to the UDP in particular and the state in general. On the conflict between Lambor Malngiang and Bindu M. Lanong, who were alleged to have been fighting for a UDP ticket from Nongkrem constituency, Jemino Mawthoh stated that the UDP will select the best person to represent the party in the upcoming state legislative assembly elections of 2023. He added that the UDP, being a well-organized regional party, has committees in the state, districts and circles constituted and dedicated to election-related activities of the party, and their recommendations will be sought for regarding candidature of persons for the 2023 elections.
Akaba nong yalam ba rangba mo bladon ka party Congress la lai posnya la long minister la long MLA la long nomikman la bon kaligisnam na kani soyong constituency la shim ye kani rai manwan che kani party UDP ke jongi ka jingkumar si kilaban pensong na sini sitai magadan ka jingkumar ka bede ka Nongkrem constituency Ringa syukwa berong EP angni ke Gopor bangi nakaliang jong party ke jongi ngidon ke state election committee ngidon ke district election committee ngidon ke circle bangi ya ke tung ke procedure no aba nakaliang jong circle ki recommend ne ke kerteng jong no nai nakaliang jong ke circle ki haban kan poi ke district but ke district kan poi ke state election committee but ke state election committee ha ke jing prakhat ke jongka ke babiang tampe no kan sa ai ka final decision mar ke state election committee kan ke final authority pi ha ka bedi ba Nongkrem constituency hoi ni iba ngashkwa ban on hane banakaliang jong MLA jongka Nongkrem constituency mo ba Lambor Malngiang larung siya ka party jong i mentala kumba sisnam tam but ila pun small nakaliang jong iru ba ikwa banekun daga party UDP but ila kha ka kerteng jong iru lamba ka circle siya district menta kan saban koi siya state election committee but ako juga poro ngidon rangba mengelam jong party ru ibalong chief advisor jong party Bindu M. Lanong iba ngiyabulong lor marba mai ide the tallest figure mentah nagabai de party UDP kena kalian jong iru lapan pa ikwa bane pun ikani ka election dan Nongkrem constituency di hendre hakabai de bagani kampan ni na kalian jong party ngin hab bane bishar ngin hab bane pedlut na ba fat ki angles nai hakabai de bagani ka Nongkrem constituency but khadu khanwai isa ai ya kata final decision nakalian jong state election committee ya uno buat terwama punya pun kani ka election dan constituency natrai agak start ke jong party ni session ya ka ke babah tampe lamda constituency yano ru mar bangibo e ka party hak matam ya bani kwa ban job e kan ka seat.
While referring to the recent violent activities that had taken place across the state of Meghalaya, Jemino Mawthoh said that the government, through the Home Department, should be extra vigilant so as to prevent them from happening in the near future. Such incidents only tarnish the image of the state, added Mawthoh.
Ki jingjamo, keding shasho jongki brio mo ki jaka ki baper lada kade nakalung gajat brio mo kani ka kta ba ya ka jing shong shngan mo ki imlang salang ti nakaliang jongi kum ka party UDP hingi condemn kani ngi pendam jur ya kum kini ki acts of violence akan ka state ki jongi but ngi sngo ban karpat nakaliang jongi kum ka party ba ya ka tanat ka badi ban pet ya ka law and order ru ki di ban long ki ba pet ngor ki ba pet perman ha ka bai dei bat kum kini ka situation namar bangim kwa bakan don kata ka jing bam shong suk shong shngan mo tam nak liang jong pat ba nong song snong ha kan ka state ke jongi marka state ke jongi hi na du ki por ki ba manchwa mo ni shet yo sngo ba ka state ke jongi ka de ka peaceful state but ki brio ki ba shong ki ba sa kan ka state rungi long very hospitable ni burom mo ye ki we ki chat ban ri ru de henre lada ki mi pa de kum kini ki jingja na ka por mo ke jing ya sho ke jing ya dat ka ta shibon na markan ja yu shibo lada ki brio ki jongi ru habangi lech chabar state sikwe ki jalaru lada mangiru ngi sha bom ngi sha tit mo ngin sko kum no tinga sko ba kum ka chat ban rio hui ngi de ka chat ban rio te ble habangi khun de ki issues jong chat ban rio ngi habani khun ngi ti ka bade kom ka bade de henry kini ki spurts of incidents mo ki violent incidents nakaliang jongi ngi pendam jur but ngimla ban pediang satya.
When asked about the concern of the UDP towards the grievances of teachers in the state, the UDP General Secretary said that while his party has taken up the issue with the government, yet it is the collective responsibility of the Chief Minister, who is also the state's Finance Minister, the Home Department and all cabinet ministers to deliberate on the issue of teachers in order to arrive at the best solution towards their long pending demands.
Hi nakaliang jong party hakabai dei bat ka jing e ka ba kia kendu kino hikai ngi sim khia ba hakabai dei ba kani mo nila ju ya kren Singapore hakabai dei bat ka jing e jong kino hikai bat ngila ya kendu ru Singapore hakabai dei bat kini kino hikai klawan ru ban kendu yangi bat nakaliang jong ngi ru ngi lapen sngo mo how minister badan bolom bodi bafet ekan ikat puli puti but nakaliang jong iru ipen ihi kata ka concern ka ba idon hakabai dei kino hikai de henre ngi haban small thu pada kan ka wai hakabai dei bat ka platin ka jong state pi ka platin ka jong state manu babat ka platin ka jong state uban chief minister badai ru finance minister jong ka chief minister badai finance minister jong state de henre ka ek bangi kwa ban ong ka long ba nakaliang jong ka sarkar hi kat ki bayadon hakan ka sarkar mo ngam ong e tang nakaliang jong education minister jongi kiwi minister kiwi cabinet minister su kinya shong perkhat lang nakaliang jong ki bane perkhat kumno ban wanra ek babahatam e hakabai dei bat ka case jong kino hikai nomor ni nakaliang jong ngi don palat ka jing sngo na kamanta kino hikai ban nakaliang jong ngi lapan sngo du sa sarkar na ka por